Hello and welcome to today's Trigger 2-minute tutorial. Now last time we spoke a little bit about salvo control and how audio buttons work with salvo control. Today I want to talk about trigger buttons and how they can function with salvo control. So I'll add a trigger button to my cue sheet. Now trigger buttons don't actually have any audio or video associated with them. They're used purely to control other cue buttons or ranges of cue buttons. So if we look at the button properties window for this trigger button and we look at the salvo control, we see along with the similar functions that we have associated with audio cue buttons, we also have some extra ones such as cycle, sequence, various step to next functionality, and we can use trigger buttons to reset counters and even toggle playback logging on and off. So for now we're going to set this to sequence group. We need to add it to the group that we want to sequence and we'll click done. We'll add a few more audio samples to go with this. Now we want to add sample audio, so we'll add a few more thunder samples here, and we'll add those to group 2 as well, like that. Now you'll see that this trigger button will now control this range of thunder samples. What we forgot to do was to go to reset our polyphony back to global. Okay, so now if I fire this repeatedly, you'll see it will step through the various samples of thunder that I've got here until they're all playing. Then it won't fire anymore because they're all playing, and we have to wait until the first one becomes available, which is there, and it will fire the first sample in that group of in the sequence. So that's how you could create a thunderstorm scenario. We can also set the trigger button to cycle, so then it would go through the sequence in specific order and not just playing the first available one in the sequence. We'll talk more about trigger buttons and their functionality in a future tutorial, but that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed watching and you'll join me next time.